This list is for informational and motivational purposes only. All books and content belong to their respective authors and publishers. Results may vary from person to person. Please seek professional help. Use these books as a positive tool, not a substitute for medical or psychological advice. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Channel Chatter. Today's motivational topic is Top 8 Motivational Books to Boost Confidence and Beat Stress. 1. The Power of Now, Eckhart Tolle. Learn to reduce stress by focusing on the present and letting go of past or future worries. 2. Atomic Habits, James Clear. Master tiny habits that lead to massive success and long-term growth. Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins. Take control of your emotions, thoughts, and behaviors to transform your life. Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. A powerful story of resilience that teaches how to push through mental limits. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. Timeless habits that build confidence, improve relationships, and sharpen focus. Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl teaches us that we can find purpose through suffering. It shows us how meaning gives us strength. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Develop a success mindset and turn your thoughts into real-world achievement. Relentless by Tim S. Grover. Unlock the mindset of elite performers and stay focused under pressure. These 8 motivational books can transform your mindset, boost confidence, and help you beat stress. The path to purpose is not a destination, but a journey. It is about finding what gives your life meaning and living it to the fullest. Start your journey to self-improvement today. Like, share, and subscribe to Raj Channel Chatter for more motivational content. Drop a comment below. Which book inspired you the most? Let's discuss. Thank you for watching. Remember, the only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward.